Hello, my name is Daniel and I'll be your first presenter for this education video, which will focus on metathesis reaction. So, metathesis reaction is a chemical reaction in which one of each two compounds interchange to form two new compounds. This is the general equation for metathesis reaction. AB plus CD that will produce AD plus CB. In general, there are three driving forces. Number one is the formation of an insoluble solid, which is known as a precipitate. Number two is the formation of a weak electrolyte or non-electrolyte. And number three is the formation of a gas that escapes from the solution. We can see this metathesis reaction apply in our daily lives, and I'll give you a few examples. Number one is milk with baking powder in a recipe. Second one is the formation of soap. And lastly is the combination of vinegar and baking soda for a chemical volcano. However, I'll only focus on soap for this video. So, what is soap? Soap is a type of cleansing agent that is used to remove dirt, oils and other contaminated surfaces. How does it work, you may ask? Soap is an effective cleaner because its ability to dissolve in both water and oil. When soap is added to the water, its hydrophobic tail is attracted to the oil and grease and on surfaces, while its hydrophilic head is attracted to the water molecules. This will then allow the soap molecules to surround and suspend the oil and dirt particles in water, making them easier to rinse away. The process of making soap is also known as saponification. Saponification is the process in which triglycerides are combined with a strong base to form fatty acid metal salts during the soap making process. I'll now pass the presentation to...
Thank you, Daniel, for the brief introduction. Now I'll be talking about the process of saponification. As you can see over here, this is the molecular equation. This is the triglyceride, which is fat or oil, and this is the high concentration alkali, which is sodium hydroxide. Reproduces glycerol and 3 molecules of soap.
Okay, moving on to the next step, which is the from this molecular equation, we can derive it into the complete ion equation by completely ionize the strong electrolytes in the molecular equation. In this case, glycerol is not written in ionic form is due to glycerol is a weak electrolyte.
So, based on this complete ionic equation, we can cancel out the spectator ion, which is this part and this part. And this is our net ionic equation. So, in conclusion, saponification is a metathesis reaction because it produces weak electrolyte, which is glycerol.